Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students.
Good
wabarakatuh.
morning, Mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine,
I'm
thank you. How are you?
fine. You?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay. Uh, Today, before we start our lesson, let me ask you to pray first. Sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran hari ini, Mrs. Lia akan minta kalian untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu. Okay, let's pray together. Finished. Okay, let me remind you to fill the attendance list in Google Form that I shared in WhatsApp group. Ya, jangan lupa untuk mengisi attendance list atau absensi lewat Google Form yang Mrs. Lia share di WhatsApp group. Okay, my students, hopefully you are always healthy and always have big spirit, so you can get the point of our meeting today easily. Okay, now it's time for me to remind you about our discussion last meeting. Have you still remember? Masihkah kalian ingat?
Yes, Mom.
Yes. Okay, what is that?
Simple past tense.
Okay, good job, Anin. Simple past tense. Okay, what is the characteristics of simple past tense? Apa ciri-cirinya?
Verb to.
Oke, verb to menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua. Kemudian adverb of time. Adverb of time-nya apa saja ya?
Last week. Last year.
Last year.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Apalagi ya? What else?
Today.
2 days ago. Okay. Can you give me the examples of verb to? Bisakah kalian memberikan contoh verb 2? The examples of verb 2.
Go.
Go menjadi
When.
Okay, good job. And then buy become menjadi bow. Okay, good job. Okay, now it's time for me to give you information about our purpose this meeting. Mrs. Lia akan memberitahukan tentang tujuan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini. Okay, wait a minute. Let me share it to you. Okay, can you see it? Kalian bisa lihat?
Bisa, Bu.
Oke. Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah melalui kegiatan mengamati video dan PowerPoint materi tentang sebuah teks dalam Google Meet. Nanti diharapkan kalian bisa satu, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks personal, recount, lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pengalaman pribadi di waktu lampau, pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dengan benar. Yang kedua adalah diharapkan nanti kalian bisa menyusun teks recount, lisan dan tulis sangat pendek dan sederhana terkait dengan pengalaman pribadi di waktu lampau dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai dengan konteks, dengan benar dan percaya diri. So, in this meeting later, I would like to ask you to analyze the text. Ya, nanti Mrs. Lia akan minta kalian untuk menganalisis teks, and then arrange a text. Ya, kemudian menyusun sebuah teks based on your experience in the past, berdasarkan pengalaman kalian pribadi di waktu yang lampau. Okay, watch it carefully, listen it carefully, because if you can make it in a good paragraph, and then you dikembangkan, become a text, ya, in a good text. Later you can make your storybook, your own storybook. Jadi kalau nanti kalian bisa membuat sebuah text recount dengan paragraf yang baik dan benar, dikembangkan menjadi sebuah menjadi sebuah teks, kemudian dikembangkan lagi menjadi sebuah buku. You can imagine, ya, kalian bisa membayangkan. You can make your own money. Kalian akan bisa mendapatkan uang kalian sendiri. So, okay, let me give you stimulation. Let me give you a video. Please watch it carefully, and then please write down the information that you get from the video. Silakan dilihat, kemudian cobalah untuk menulis jika kalian menemukan informasi penting di dalamnya.
Hi, today I'm gonna tell you a story about.
Okay, can you hear the voice of the video?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let me continue.
My last vacation so that you can learn and practice some verbs in the past. In August, I went to France for my vacation, but it was not very easy to get there. I had some problems on the way. I live in Córdoba, Argentina, and I'm from Brazil, so my passport is from Brazil. I left here and went to São Paulo, and then we had another flight from São Paulo to Paris. When we were about to get on the plane to go to Paris, we were in São Paulo, and we were getting on the plane. They found out that my passport was expired, so I couldn't get on the plane. Yes, I know. Shame on me. I should have checked my passport, but I completely forgot it. So they sent us back to Córdoba, us because I was with my husband and my mother-in-law. So they sent us back to Córdoba, and I went to the consulate of Brazil here in Córdoba, and they got my passport ready in one day, so it was perfect. And then the next day we traveled again to São Paulo, and then we could finally get on the plane to Paris. So I was happy that I could go because I met my French friends who had lived with me here in Argentina 5 years ago. I went to one of my friends' wedding, such a beautiful wedding in a castle, so nice. And I ate some very delicious food. I tasted some wines. I don't like drinking wine, but I tasted some of them because I was in Paris, and I thought, okay, let's try some wines. I visited all the touristic places in Paris, and actually I tried to make this video on the top floor of the Eiffel Tower, but it was so windy that the audio was terrible. But I'm going to show you some images of the view from the Eiffel Tower. Well, this is it. I hope you liked it and that you've learned some verbs. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Okay, that is the video. After watching the video, let me give you some questions. Mrs. Lia akan memberikan beberapa pertanyaan based on the video. The first is, what information do you get from the video? Informasi apa yang kalian dapatkan dari video tersebut?
Menurut saya menceritakan tentang pengalaman pribadi orang yang bercerita di dalam video tersebut.
Oke, good job Anin. Oke, sebentar ya, ini Rizal. The next question, what is the social function? of the
Function.
text. Function.
Menceritakan ulang tentang pengalaman pribadi si pembicara di waktu yang lampau.
Oke, Kucop Lintang. Next. The next question is, what is the characteristics of the text?
Menggunakan kata kerja verb 2. Contohnya go menjadi when.
Oke.
Seterang waktunya in August.
Oke, in August di situ muncul. Kemudian ada lagi nggak selain in August?
Nggak tahu.
Oke, tadi
Lupa.
belum tercatat. Oke. There is 5 years ago, ada muncul kata 5 years ago. Oke, thank you, good job for you. And now the next question, what should you do if you want to make a text such as in the video? Apa yang harus kalian lakukan jika ingin membuat sebuah teks seperti yang ada di video tadi?
1. Menggunakan past tense.
Oke, 1 harus menggunakan past tense. Oke, kemudian
Menggunakan keterangan waktu.
menggunakan keterangan waktu seperti apa kalau begitu?
Seperti
Keterangan waktunya apa tadi, simple past tense?
yesterday,
Oke, bagus. Yesterday salah satunya. What else? Apalagi?
last week,
Last week. Oke, apalagi? What else?
last year,
Last year. Oke, yang penting ada kata last. Selanjutnya apalagi yang muncul? Yesterday, tadi harus ada kata yesterday kalau simple past sudah lampau. Kemudian apalagi?
2 days ago,
Bagus, ada kata ago. Good job. Oke, kita menuju ke fase yang selanjutnya, yaitu statement problems. If you get, is there any questions? Apakah ada pertanyaan?
saya Bu mau tanya. Ketika kita mau membuat teks seperti ada yang di video, kita harus bagaimana Bu?
Oke. Before I give you the time to find out the answers, let me give you LKPD first ya. Jadi saya akan kasih kalian LKPD to help you to find out the information. Oke, wait a minute. Sebentar. Kelihatan nggak? Oke, kalian bisa lihat LKPD-nya yang ada di situ ya. Oke, this is our activity to help you to find out the information. The first is activity 1. Pay attention to the text below. So, Mrs. Lia akan minta kalian untuk memperhatikan teks yang muncul di sana. And then second activity, analyze both of text by filling the table below. Do as the first activity ya. Yang kedua, kalian diminta untuk menganalisis kedua teks yang muncul di sana, when cycling together and when to Prambanan Temple. Kemudian dengan mengisi tabel yang ada di bawahnya. The third activity, kegiatan yang ketiga, arrange a recount text based on your own experience. Susunlah sebuah recount text berdasarkan pengalaman pribadimu. Ya, the first, when you join the daily test together last week by online in the first time, or when you visit a recreation place, use your own words. Gunakan kata-katamu sendiri. Don't forget about that. Ya, jangan sampai lupa tentang itu. Okay, now after this, let me give you some time to find out the information about Anindya's question. Misalnya akan memberi waktu kepada kalian untuk mencari informasi tentang pertanyaan tadi yang Anindya ajukan, yaitu tentang bagaimana caranya ketika kita mau membuat sebuah teks seperti yang ada di video. Oke, kita menuju ke fase 3, data collection. Mrs. Lia will give you some times to find out the information about Aninda's question about how to make a text such as in the video. Please find out in the internet. Kalian bisa mencarinya di internet, or you can find out in the handout, ya, atau kalian bisa melihat handout yang sudah Mrs. Lia kasih di sana. Find out the information carefully, carilah dengan hati-hati. Oke. Silahkan Mrs. Lia kasih waktu kalian untuk mencari informasinya. Oke, have you got the information? Sudahkah kalian mendapatkan informasinya?
Sudah.
Oke, good job. What is that, Lintang? Apa, Lintang?
Ternyata jika kita ingin membuat seperti itu, kita harus menyiapkan orientation.
Oke, yang pertama orientation. What is that orientation?
Harus ada orangnya, harus ada tempat kejadiannya, ada waktu kejadiannya.
Oke, good job. Apalagi setelah orientation, Lintang?
Events.
Events. What is that events? Apa itu events?
Biasanya rangkaian peristiwa. Biasanya muncul kata next, after that, finally.
Oke, good job, Anin. And then what else, Lintang? Apalagi?
Reorientation.
Reorientation. What is that reorientation?
Kesan si penulis.
Pesan si penulis. Oke. Now you have got the information about how to make a text. Sekarang kalian sudah mendapatkan informasinya tentang bagaimana cara membuat teksnya. Now please do the LKPD. Tolong dikerjakan LKPD-nya kalau begitu. Ya, yang activity 2 sama activity 3 ya. Do it carefully, kerjakan dengan berhati-hati, silahkan dikerjakan. Oke, have you finished to do the LKPD? Sudah selesai mengerjakan LKPD-nya?
Belum, Bu, sebentar lagi.
Oke, let me give you 5 minutes again ya. Okay, let me remind you, if you have finished, kalau sudah selesai, please take a picture, tolong difoto, and then send your picture, kirimkan gambarnya to WhatsApp group, ya, dikirimkan gambarnya ke WhatsApp group. I would like to ask you to presentate your work. Nanti setelah ini Mrs. Lee akan minta kalian untuk mempresentasikan pekerjaan kalian yang sudah didapatkan itu. Oke. Oke, who has finished? Siapa yang sudah selesai? Have you finished, my students?
Yes, Mrs.
Okay, if you have finished, please send your picture to WhatsApp group. Kalau sudah selesai, dikirimkan gambarnya ke grup kelas. Have you send your work into WhatsApp group? Sudah dikirimkan hasil pekerjaannya di WhatsApp group?
Udah, Bu.
Okay, let me see it. Okay, we go to the next activity, verification. I would like to ask you to present your work. Mrs. Lia akan minta kalian untuk mempresentasikan pekerjaan kalian. Who wants to present first? Siapa yang pertama kali mau presentasi?
Saya, Bu.
Oke, Anin. Oke, wait a minute. Sebentar, Anin. Mrs. Lia tunjukkan dulu hasil pekerjaan kamu di WhatsApp group. Oke. Anin, please present your work. Silahkan dipresentasikan, Anin.
My name is Aninia. I want to present my work. Orientation. Last week, my friend and I were cycling together.
Okay.
Even we get here together before we start cycling. We start cycling at 6 a.m. We went cycling around rice field. We also saw beautiful scenery when the sun rise.
Okay.
The orientation. We felt very happy and enjoy to do cycling together.
Okay. Where is the social function of the text, Anin? What is the social function of the text?
To tell the reader's experience when cycling together with the reader's friend.
Okay, good job. So, what about the language features?
Using simple past tense, verb to, were, when, gathered, started, saw, felt.
Okay.
Using accident verb, when, gathered, started, saw, felt.
Okay.
Using adverb or adverbial phrase to express time and place. Last week at 6 a.m.
Okay, good.
Conjunction and time connective verbs to connect an event to the other's event. When and.
When. Okay, good job. Next, who wants to present the next? Siapa yang mau presentasikan yang selanjutnya?
Saya, Bu.
Okay, Rizal, please present your work, Rizal. Wait a minute. Let me show your writing. Mrs. Lia, perlihatkan hasil tulisanmu. Wait a minute, Rizal. Rizal, okay. Please present your work, Rizal.
My name is Afrizal Umam. I want to present my work. Last week, my family and I want to besar hijau BG Jadi Barang Brebes. We were arrived there at AM. We could enjoy many activities there. Firstly, we swam in the swimming pool. After that, we rode the train. When we wanted to do another activity, unfortunately, that way was rain. So we stopped our activity and went home. It was really fun.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay, let me check your work. Good job. Okay, let me check your work. Let me see it. And then after this, let me give you feedback. Basically akan kasih kalian feedback tentang hasil pekerjaan kalian. Okay. For the first time is Anin works. Yang pertama adalah pekerjaannya Anin. Okay, good job Anin. You make a good job. Ya, kamu sudah membuat pekerjaannya sudah bagus sekali. Okay, but please be careful with your writing. Tolong berhati-hati dengan tulisannya. Tadi kayaknya sunrise, kamu tertulisnya rice-nya rice yang untuk nasi itu ya. Pakainya C, seharusnya apa? Seharusnya yang digunakan adalah S, tapi sudah bagus, cuman tadi belum sempurna ya untuk tulisannya. And then for Rizal, you make a good job too. Rizal, pekerjaannya sudah bagus juga. Only for the spoken-nya ya, ketika membacanya ya masih ada kata yang salah baca, tapi later kita akan latihan membaca lebih lagi ya. Oke. Oke. Let's make a conclusion of our meeting today. Kita melakukan kesimpulan. What did you learn today? Apa yang kalian pelajari hari ini?
Recount text.
Oke, recount text. What are there in recount text? Ada apa di dalam recount text?
Orientation, event, reorientation.
Okay, orientation, events, reorientation. What is the language features? What are the language features do you find in recount text? Anin?
Using simple past tense.
Okay.
Verb to.
Good. And then?
Using action verb.
Using action verb. Okay. Next.
Using adverb or adverbial.
Okay. Using adverbial time.
Using conjunction and time.
Okay. Using
Connected.
conjunction. Okay. Good job. Thank you, Anin. Okay. Next, we go to the next activity, closing activity. Kita menuju ke penutup. Let's kita refleksikan pembelajaran hari ini, ya. Apa yang tadi kalian pelajari tadi apa ya? Yang pertama?
Recount text.
Oke, recount text. Ada apa saja tadi dalam recount text? Orientation. And then? Event. And then?
The orientation.
Next, yang selanjutnya. Have you got any difficulties in learning recount text? Apakah kalian mendapatkan kesulitan dalam mempelajari recount text?
Ada Bu, di bagian ketika diminta membuat teks recount dengan menggunakan kata-kata sendiri.
Oke. Terus, how you solve the problems? Bagaimana caranya kamu biar lebih mudah lagi?
Menurut pendapat saya harus mempelajari kosakata bahasa Inggris lebih banyak lagi.
Oke, good job. Oke. After this, let me give you another assignment. Please do the evaluation through the Google Form. Ya, tolong dikerjakan evaluasinya. Ada tugas tambahan ya. Evaluasinya dikerjakan lewat Google Form. And then after that, let me give you the information about the next material. Ya, tentang materi yang selanjutnya that we will discuss, yang akan kita diskusikan, yaitu tentang message and notice. Okay. Last, thank you for your attention today, my students. Ya, but before that, let me ask you to pray first. Mrs. Lia akan minta kalian untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu. Okay, let's pray. Finished. Okay. Thank you for your attention today. Yeah. Stay healthy. Stay have a big spirit. Okay. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.